Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to disable Snapchat shutter sound, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to disable Snapchat shutter sound. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. Turn your mobile phone device on silent. Now open Snapchat app from your mobile phone. Now take a photo. There will be no sound when you take any photo from your Snapchat app. If you want to undo it, just disable the silent mode from your mobile phone. This is the easy and simple way to disable shutter sound of Snapchat app from your mobile phone. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.